Okay guys, so following on from the meeting we had last night, I laid out a trade that was a set and forget, and the idea of it was basically what you do when you're working around a day job. Now, if I flick this over, switch the indicators off so we can see what's going on. We were setting this up last night in and around here. Okay, so it was about 9 o'clock, and the order setup was to be set along here. So we took it down into 15 minutes, as we can see, and then there's the order points there in the green. Okay, now what this was anticipating was, if I just pull this back, it was about 9 o'clock last night when we started this, so it was in and around here. And the idea was, well, laid out in such a way that it's safe. So we put our main stall blocks. So that's as far as we really wanted the market to go. And the stop was above it, which was this grey box here. And as you can see, as it came through, it dropped off, didn't really pick any of the orders up, came screaming up a few hours later, picked the order up here, went 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th order, and then screamed straight back down. So if you're following the rules of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would have been well and truly safe at that point. Now that's 6:15 in the morning, so it took it all night to come back down. But say you hadn't, the actual premise of the trade played out anyway. So doing your analysis the way that I constantly do it, which is just this. It's the multi-time frame that we see all the time. You know, all the time. You work it out across the multiple time frames, put your target in, and then let it play out. Case in point, completed the Bitcoin this morning. Why? Because I set this up and let it run through the night, and then it cashed out this morning, 67 quid on pennies. So I'm quite happy with the way this works. That's another 67 quid in the pot, which I'll be cashing this off tomorrow. I'm going to take this back down to 1,000 quid. I might even just take it back down to 500. But I've now got 800 quid over the last couple of weeks just by doing that same thing. You know, so it's not to be sniffed at. So 500 to make 800 quid, I'll live with that. And that's all it is, guys. It's just planning and preparation. It's not sitting in front of the screen. You know, when you sit in front of the screen, you're tempted to press the button. And if you press the button, well, the chances are you make a mistake. So the better thing to do is just let the market come to you and let it play out. Simple as that.